Okay, next we're on page 152. So let's make sure we have our workbooks out to page 152. And let's get started. It says, picking a green marble from a box that has 5 red marbles, 6 green marbles, and 4 blue marbles. So we need to check the box that matches the likelihood of this event occurring. So in this case, the event is picking a green marble. Okay, so let's use green. And the box has 5 red marbles, 6 green marbles. So it's 6 out of, how many would that be? 11 plus 4. So that's 6 out of 15. It's still less than 50%. So I am going to say that is unlikely that we will pick a green marble. All right, the next one there says getting a 0 from a bag that contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Well, that's impossible since 0 isn't in the bag. All right. Next it says choosing the letter T from the word mathematics. All right, so let's zoom in there on mathematics and count the number of T's. So we have 1, 2 T's, and how many letters total? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 2 out of 11. All right. So I would say that it is unlikely that we will select the letter T from the word mathematics. It's only 2 out of 11 letters there. So here we have rolling a standard dice and getting a number smaller than 5. Okay, well, if we had a dice, we know the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But the only possible ones that are smaller than 5 would be these ones. So that is really, we could think of that as 4 out of 6 possible. So we should say that it's likely. It's likely. So check that box there. The next one says, a wash towel getting wet after pouring water on it. Okay, so this is a funny one. A wash towel that has gotten wet after pouring water on it. Okay, so if you visualize this, you're holding a wash towel, you pour water on it, it is definitely going to get wet. So you could say that it is certain or definite that the wash towel will get wet if you pour water on it. Drawing a 12 of spades from a standard deck of poker cards. Okay, so we don't have 12 of spades because we have ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and once you get after 10, you start with the jack. So there is no 12 of spades, so that is impossible. All right, the next one says selecting a day in March from the annual calendar. Okay, so if we have 365 days, it's probably unlikely that we will select a day in March from the calendar randomly. So those are your answers for page 152. So make sure you have those in your books. Thank you.